Tiger shrimp is one of my favorite types of French that there are, and here's the size that I typically get. I'm gonna be creating a marinade from scratch. So cilantro and basil are the two stars of it. I'm gonna be putting a lot of lime, garlic, and what's gonna put this together is the olive oil that you're gonna show me put. Typically I use a Vitamix. I am going to use a Vitamix for this. However, for the purposes of the video, I'm showing you the quantities, right? So I'm basically cutting up the cilantro. If you don't have a Vitamix or a blender, you can also do it with a knife. And what I do is basically cut up the cilantro, put it inside a bowl like this, and you want to add a little bit of basil. So what I like to do is add 2 to 3 leaves of basil to balance out the cilantro flavor. Next, what I do is put a lot of olive oil. And I say a lot because visually it seems like a lot, right? But I can assure you that it's not. It's the perfect quantity. That's basically how much olive oil you should put in there. In and of itself, that's not enough. You want to add some garlic as well. Now to this marinade, I don't add salt. I don't think it's needed. And of course, the lime juice is very important. For this particular dish, I added 3 limes. And I basically take the marinade and I put it on top of the tiger shrimp. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the fridge. A question I'm often asked is, well, how long should the tiger shrimp be marinating for? Minimum 2 hours. Better if it's overnight. I didn't have the time today to wait that long, so mine was for 2 hours. And when I took it out of the fridge, that's what it looks like. So next step that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a grilling tool and I'm going to be placing the shrimp inside that grilling tool. Obviously it's a messy process, so make sure to have a tray underneath it to collect the excess marinade. You don't have to worry about separating the shrimp because number one, they're going to shrink a little bit during the process, and number two, you don't have enough space to space it out a lot, unless of course you're cooking just for yourself. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and be putting this on the grill. Make sure it's grilled on both sides. And then as far as the accompaniment, very simple. So you're going to take some lettuce leaves, put some good quality olive oil on top of it, and then placing the grilled shrimp on top of it. Very good dish, very citrusy. I hope you loved this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you so much. I will see you on the very next episode. Bye-bye.